Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Dear students, I am going to take a math class today for the student of class 2. So let's start our today's class. Our today's topic is addition. Okay, it's no more class of addition, only one class of addition today. And your lecture number is 15. You have a homework. Your homework number is 12. My students, have a look on the board to the questions of addition. Okay, it's a CW class. This is your addition. The sixth problem we will solve today. Okay, in our CW class. The first one is we need to add 38 with 72. My dear students, if we add something or subtract something or we multiply something, then we need to start from the right hand side, or we need to start from the ones place. Okay, ones place or right hand side. And first of all, to do that, we need to identify the place values place. Okay, it's ones place, 8 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place. This means that, my students, 8 and 2 both the digits are in the ones place, and 3 and 7 both the digits are in the tens place. Now we can add easily. We should start from the right side. That means we should start from the ones place. Okay, first of all, we should add 8 and 2 of ones place. If we add 8 and 2, how much it would be? 8 with 2, 8, then 9, 10. So it will be 10. If we add 8 and 2, it will be 10. Now 10 is a double digit number. We can't write down 10 directly here because of this 2 digit. But we can write down only this right side's 0. That means the ones place 0 is in the ones place it should be. And this one is carrying in our hand. After that, we must add the tens place 7 and 3. The tens place 7 and 3 need to be add later. Now, if we add 7 and 3, how much it will be? 7 and 3. 7, then 8, 9, 10. It will be 10 again. 10 and the carrying one will make 11. Will make 11. 11 is again a double digit number, but we have nothing to add again. That's why we can directly write down this 11 here. 11, okay. Now our answer is it's 110. So write down also the answer after solution. The answer is 110. I think you have understood. Like this way we will solve all the problems. Okay. Question number 2 is we need to add 18 with 70. First of all, need to identify the place value. This ones place, this is tens place. This means that 8 and 0, the digit 8 and 0 is in the ones place, and the digit 1 and 7 are in the tens place. Now, dear students, first of all, we need to add 8 with 0. If we add 8 with 0, it will be 8. 8 is a single digit number, so we can directly write down this one in the ones place. And now we should add the tens place 1 and 7. If we add 7 with 1, it will be 8. 7 and 1 makes 8. It will be 8 again in the tens place. So our answer is 88. Our answer is, my dear students, it's 88. Now the next one is number 3. Number 3 is we need to add 39 with 45. First of all, we need to identify the place value. This 9 is in ones place. This 10 place will be here. 3 is in tens place. Okay. Now, this means that 9 and 5 is in the ones place. First of all, we need to add 9 with 5. Now, add 9 with 5, 9. Count up to 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It is 5, 14. That means it will be 14 if we add 9 and 5. So, 14 is a 2-digit number. That means we can write down only this ones place 4 here in the one place. Okay. And 1 is carrying in our hand. Now, we need to add the tens place 2 digit. It's 4 and 3. If we add 4 with 3, how much it will be? 4 and 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. It will be 7. 7 and this carrying 1 will make 8. 8 is a single digit number. We can write down directly 8 here. And nothing to add. So, our answer is 84. You must write down also the answer after the solution. It's 84. Now the number 4 question is we need to add 123 with 762. First of all, identify the place value. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now we should start from the right side. First of all, we should add 3 and 2. If we add 3 and 2, we'll have 5. 5 is a single digit number, we can write down directly here, okay? Then the tens place 2 and 6 need to be added. If we add 2 with 6, we'll get 8. 8 is again a single digit number, we can write down directly in the tens place the number 8. Then we should add the highest place value, it is a hundreds place we should add. We should add 7 with 1. If we add 7 with 1, we'll get again 8. 8 will be here because it is a single digit number, we can write down directly here, okay? So 885 is our answer. Our answer is 885. 885. Now question number 5. Now look, my dear students, it's a 4-digit number. Both are 4-digit number. So first of all, we need to identify the place value for the addition. This 1 is in ones place, this 3 is in tens place, this 2 is in hundreds place, and my dear students, this 7 is in thousands place. Its TH means thousands, okay? Now we should add the ones place 2 digits 6 and 1. If we add 6 and 1, we'll get 7, and we know that 7 is a single digit number, so you can write down directly 7 here. After that, we need to add the digit of the tens place. It is 5 and 3. If we add 5 and 3, we'll get 8. So we can write down 8 directly again because 8 is a single digit number. Now nothing is carrying in our hand. Now we should add the hundreds place 2 and 4. If we add 2 and 4, we'll get 6. Again 6 is a 2-digit number, so you can write down directly 6 here, okay? And now we need to add the thousands place 7 and 3. These 2 digits we need to add 7 and 3. If we add 7 and 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be 10. Now we can't write down directly 10, but my dear students, there is nothing to add, so we can directly write down this 10 here, okay? Because nothing to add again, that's why we can write down directly this 10. So our answer is 10687. That means our answer is 10,687. Okay, it's 10,687. The last one, question number 4, I'm going to solve now. First of all, we need to identify the place value. Like previous, is ones place, it's tens place, it's hundreds place. Now my dear students, we should add 8 with 8. If we add 8 and 8, we'll get 16. 8 and 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We'll get 16 if we add 8 and 8. Okay, 16 is a double digit number. We can't write down 16 directly here, but we can write down only 6 here in the ones place. Now 1 is carrying in our hand. After that, we should add the tens place 5 and 0. If we add 5 and 0, we'll get 5. And carrying 1 we need to add with the 5, we'll get 6. So 6 is a single digit number, so we can write down 6 here directly. Now carrying in our hand nothing. Now we should add the hundreds place 4 and 3. If we add 4 and 3, we will get 7. And 7 is a single digit number, we can write down directly 7 here. Our answer is 766. That means our answer is 766. You must write down the answer after any solution. 766 is our answer. My dear students, I hope you have understood how to add. Okay, now look at the board in the right corner. That means the HW. You have the HW number 12. Please mention your HW number in the left up corner and do this all 4 HW in your assigned HW copy. And my dear students, you can submit all of your HW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.